In this tips and tricks video, we're going to look at how to apply a filter to a tab within your dashboard. To start, I simply go up to the tab that I'd like to apply the filters within, and I'll click this drop-down arrow for the tab. I see filter as one of my options, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And here we'll see we have a number of filter options we can apply to the tab. More often than not, I'm going to select this Addition Merge with Global Filters option. This will allow you to set a permanent filter, but you'll still be able to interact with the data on that tab when this option is chosen. We also see that we can select Locked Ignore Global Filters, which will apply the filter selections you make, but it will freeze the visualizations within that tab, so the tab will no longer be interactive. Choose the option that's best for you. In this case, I'm going to pick Addition Merge with Global Filters. And we'll see from here, we can click Add Filter on the data stream that we would like to filter within the tab. And from here, we'll pick which field is appropriate and go ahead and apply our filter. That's how we apply a filter on the tab level within Stratified.